Hey guys, welcome to my first makeup tutorial. My name is Janet Baeza and today we're gonna create this beautiful purple gold eyeshadow look, perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. If you'd like to learn how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So we're gonna start by moisturizing the skin. I have combination skin. We're gonna go ahead and moisturize with the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream. So we're gonna take some of that to moisturize my skin. I do tend to get a little more drier during the winter, so my skin needs all the hydration it can get. For the eyes, we're gonna use the Profusion Kaleidoscope palette. I'm gonna take the shade Hypnotized and put that all over my lid. So I'm just gonna take that shade and just pack it on my lid. And now I'm gonna do the other eye. So next I'm gonna take the shade Heartbreaker to blend the shade Hypnotized. So now we're gonna take the shade Clarity and put that in the center of the eyelid. Using my finger, I'm just gonna place that on the center of the eyelid. Now for primer, we're gonna use the Hailey's Beauty Refine Prime Foundation Primer. I just like to take some and put it where I have more pores. And then I'm gonna work that in. For foundation, we'll use the e.l.f. Satin Finish Foundation in the shade Sand. Using a beauty sponge, I'm just gonna put the foundation, dab it on my face. Now I'm just gonna blend it in. By the way, I really like this beauty sponge. It's from Loreal. It's really soft and bouncy, and it applies the product really well. For lashes, I'm gonna use the Lash Dream Lashes in Sweetheart. I'm gonna put those on and be right back. For lashes, I'll take the Essence Lashes of the Day mascara and just put a single coat of that on my eyelashes before I put on my lashes. And do the other eye. For concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer in Medium Sand. I just like to place my concealer like this because it lifts the face. I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder. Now I just like to set and not really bake because I feel like when I bake it makes my face dry. And then I'm going to take a brush and just kind of wipe the excess away. For bronzer, I'm going to use the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Be My Highlight. This is an amazing, affordable highlighter. And I'm just going to place it here. On my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, just a little sweep. over my eyebrows. For the under eyes, I'm gonna use the shade Hypnotize and blend it out with the shade Heartbreaker once again. For my lower lashes, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Now, I personally really like this mascara for my lower lashes because it really emphasizes them and gives them a lot of volume. For lip liner, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in Enjoy the View. Now for the liquid liner, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Seductress. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this look with me. This is a perfect look for Valentine's Day that's coming up. But before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications. That way you're notified next time I upload a new video. And don't forget to check the description box below for the makeup details. Also follow me on my social medias. I'll leave them linked down below. Sometimes I do Facebook Lives, so don't forget to check that out. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!